As of this recording, I make over $1 million a month wholesaling, real estate investing, flipping houses, and just making money in real estate investing in general. And what I want to do is not brag or flex on you, but actually show you exactly a full breakdown of how I make my money in real estate investing and how you can do the same thing. You see, the whole point of today is to share with you, if I go out here and make $1 million every single month in wholesaling real estate, if you can just go do 5% of that and make 50 grand a month, you're going to be doing pretty well in your life. And I have gotten here over a full 9, almost 10-year journey in wholesaling real estate to let you know that what I've done is just slowly and steadily just started making more and more and more money. And I've been very uncomfortable sharing how much money I make in real estate investing and wholesaling because I'm not really that type of guy to brag. But I had an 8-hour conversation with Alex Ramosi last month, and he's very big on letting people know acronym WISB. Why should I believe you? And he said, if you want to get more JV deals and make more money, you just got to let people know how much money you make. He said in every single video he has ever done, he tells people how much money his companies do. And he says he does that intentionally. And he said some other things that, I'm not supposed to say on camera, but he said, if I want to double the business and make more money, I need to go out here and let people know how much I make, especially at my age, because there's genuinely not anyone else my age at 26 years old that's running numbers like this in the wholesaling game. There are people making way more money than me in wholesaling, and they're like 40, 50, 60 years old. But at my age, there's not. And if I want to keep making more money, where I get a lot of deals from you guys sending me real estate wholesaling deals on YouTube, I need to talk about it. You need to be a little more transparent, and I'm okay with that. But again, the point is so you can go strive for something great, and even just do 5% of what I do, you'll be at 50 grand a month, and that's like 2 or 3 deals. You're gonna be doing pretty dang well. So if you look at the math here, $1 million a month times 12 is roughly about $12 million that we make just in profits for wholesaling real estate investing, house flipping, all these things. Now, if I could roughly break down those numbers of where I make the income, I can probably say if a standard month is about $1 million. About 50% of that comes from actually just doing joint venture deals and JVs with people like you. So that's been a massive, massive part of my income is just off of social media. You guys giving me real estate wholesaling deals and sending me deals. I'd say about 25% come from flipping properties and flipping houses, which is kind of the bigger deals. And so this would be like a standard wholesaling deal. Like we do these in like North Carolina, South Carolina, where we're probably would make 40, 50 grand wholesaling it, but we decide we're just going to close on the funds ourselves and just use our own money and then fix it up a little bit, put it back in the market and not make 50 grand, but make like 80, 90, even $100,000 on a deal. So that's where the flipping part, I mean, it's basically wholesaling, but we're just taking it to market because it's the best use of our money and it won't be too much of a hassle. And when I say flipping, I mean, it's like gonna be like 6 flips a month. Like it's not crazy, but the average one's like a lot of money. And I know this is embarrassing to say, but about 25% of my income comes from just wholesaling myself of our own companies. Now, it used to be 50% of my income is going to come from just literally just doing wholesaling virtually and in person. But honestly, the amount of JV deals we get is just crazy. And the amount of money we make per deal is insane too. But I would put JVs and flipping and standard real estate investing stuff. That's what I'd say. Then obviously I have my rentals and income and stuff like that. I keep that net worth stuff a little secretive. I make $20,000 a year. That's it. I'm a poor boy. But really, if I look at all these numbers, I think what would be the most shocking for people is how much the JV side is. But if you understand that I have over 250,000 YouTube subscribers, 66,000 people in my free coursing community. We have 800 people in my pump community right now, which these are massive, like $70,000 deals, like 70K deals, which I'm not getting into the pump stuff right now, but that is our paid school group. It's a real estate investing community and software. I don't get into that. I keep it very, very, very secret. It's not even open right now. But our pump community, we get $70,000 deals all the time. Like it's really nice. And then if you ever look at like 400,000 followers across my other social medias, I probably have over 1 million if you combine everything together, right? I have a lot of people that follow me and listen to me, which is pretty cool. And they do it because I run real numbers. I mean, I make a lot of money. There's nobody my age making this much money in wholesaling real estate specifically. And I'm pretty happy about it. But the cool part is I give you guys great information, and this is my scheme, okay? My scheme is I give you great free content on all my social medias, and then you guys send me JV deals. You guys will go out here and get X leads, buy X leads, which is the best wholesaling real estate software ever. And then I make a lot of money. And then from there, that money, I go buy rentals, and it's just whole entire cycle. But I just want to be transparent about this little scheme that I've been running for the past 7 years on social media. I mean, this is my money model, and kind of stealing this from Hermosi, but like that's best way he likes to explain it is my whole money model here is I go out here and the first point a lot of people know who I am is just from the content that I make, right? I have my YouTube channel, I have a TikTok, I have my school group, right? I have all this information. I have freewholesaling.com. And sometimes people from YouTube go to the free coursing community, freewholesaling.com, right? They go to all the content, right? Then from there, they will go out here first and foremost and send me deals. And so this would be deal flow. So you guys will send me JV deals for houses I'll flip. Maybe they're like pump deals. Maybe they're creative deals. Maybe I buy them as a rental or whatever. You guys send me deal flow and that automatically goes out here and makes me money. On top of that too, I have probably the best software in the entire wholesaling real estate game. It's the best skip tracing everything. xleads.com. A lot of people pay for the pump software, our pump stacker. Get rid of pump stacker. Our pump software and community to do pump deals. Now again, I'm being very quiet about it. It's school.com/pump. You can't join it, but I would recommend if anyone wants to like get on a wait list on that, it's school.com/pump. And you go out here and do it. Even if you go to pumpmethod.com, you can go out here and join the wait list on it. But I actually make a lot of money just off of just that software too. But I get a lot of JV deals. And the cool part is people who watch my content might not even send me deals because they do the deals themselves because I taught them everything they need to know. But they'll go out here and buy the softwares, join pump, do all that stuff. So I make money from deal flow, which goes out here and gives me money. Some of you guys from the content will go out here and buy the softwares and services we have. And then that makes me a lot of money. Now, when I make all that money, over 7 figures every single month, the software makes a lot of money too. I go pour that money and go out here and buy rental properties. A lot of it, we're focusing really hard on multifamily. I have a lot of single families, but right now I'm focusing really hard on multi because I'm just making a lot more money. And then that in turn actually goes and makes me more money. It's kind of a weird loop where I make all this money from doing deals, software, and then obviously my own real estate deals, my own real estate investing and wholesaling deals, right? I make all this money from my deal flow, which then is cash. The software prints cash. Then all that cash goes and buys rental properties, offsets the tax right now with the tax code. And then that makes money too. And then that gets poured into more money, which is great. Now, the cool part is a lot of those rentals and the amount of money I make gets actually turned into content. Now, you're going to see this year. I'm going to start making a lot more content about my rentals, multifamily, single family properties here. But the cool part is the more rentals I buy, the more people like to see it on content, which means when I make more money, I buy more rentals, which means people watch more content because I could either choose to go flex fancy stuff or I can just go buy a bunch of rental properties, which is just legacy for me. And then that makes more content. I make more wholesaling content. And then I get more deals, more software, then boom, more cash. It's an ever recycling system that makes me money. And so this is my money model. This is where I make my cash. And you understand that when I teach you for free, you got to remember the YouTube's free, the TikTok's free, the school group, freewholesaling.com is all free. All the info for wholesaling is free. Pump is not wholesaling, so that's different. But all the info on how you can make $500,000 to $1 million a year wholesaling real estate is completely for free. You guys send me deals, which makes me a ton of money, more than if I had a paid crazy course for wholesaling. But then I actually am really good at software, so I make the best software, and then that makes a ton of money, buy rentals, offset it, and then just make this process going. That's the big secret. That's the thing that makes the cash. That's why 50% of the deals are coming from that. Now you might ask, okay, well, Zach, on your own real estate investing deals, how are you going out here and finding these deals? So most of my deals from my marketing are just going to be from direct mail. I do a ton of direct mail. I do a ton of texting. I do a ton of calling. And the cool part about it is because I do so much of it, I'm so tapped into data and skip tracing and the best quality data. That's why I went out here and made xleads.com to make the skip tracing better. So my direct mail is better, my texting is better, and my calling is better. That's why I made xleads 1 penny per text, because I wanted to figure out how I can make texting the cheapest it possibly can for me. And then I just give that to guys for you for a fee for xleads. And then you do better too. I started making a ton of deals from doing pump deals. So I started teaching people how to do pump deals, which they send me more deals and we do flips too on that. But the trifecta of most of my marketing and real estate investing is going to be from pump deals and then doing direct mail, texting, and calling off of high equity lists from xleads.com. So most of it's going to come from high equities. And then obviously we pull a ton of government data. And that gets poured into here and makes it all. So in my own real estate investing deals, a lot of it is for sending a ton of direct mail, a ton of text, a ton of calls. Then obviously those deals, 80% of them are going to be wholesaled, 10% are going to be flipped, and then 10% are probably going to be like a creative finance deal. I'm not really too hot on subject twos right now, especially in Florida with cash flow and stuff like that. So I do a lot more owner financing, lease options, stuff like that. Government lists we pull again, probates, tax delinquencies, evictions, water shutoffs, fire damage properties, pre-foreclosures, right? And if you want to get these type of lists, call to freewholesaling.com. And if you want to go check it out, you just go to the classroom section, go to marketing, government list spreadsheet right here. And all the government government lists across the entire country are going to be right here. All the government data that you possibly want is going to be right here. So the real question here, if you're watching this and you want me to give you a guide, a blueprint of maybe how you are going to do 2, 3, even 1 deal a month. Again, the simple funnel system that I will tell you to do, which I've always made it simple, especially for 2026, has always been my reverse funnel system. So let me actually make this bigger and better. But my reverse funnel system is going to be really easy. What I tell you to do is the first prong on your funnel is I want you just to pull as many government lists as you possibly can, which are going to be right here, like all of these government lists. So code violations, liens, probates, pre-foreclosures, right? I want you to pull all this data. I would filter all that data with AI, ChatGPT, Gemini, or whatever. Make sure you get the zip codes. It's all good. I'd then go skip trace all that data on xleads.com. And then I'd take that government lists, maybe you get like 1,000 of them for the month. I would reach out and I would call, I would text these sellers, and then maybe even add in a sticky note on the property, which would be nice. And then from there, I would pull an AI list on xleads. So go to xleads.com, go to leads here. And for an AI list, let's just choose regular zip code right here. And what I would do is I go to filters here and I go by wholesale AI score, and you can choose your AI territory. I choose anything like a 700 or above. It's not going to be too big of a list, like 880. Let's just try like 750. Anything with an AI score over 750, I would pull this list. And you don't need to be pulling high equities or vacant properties or absentee owners anymore, right? That's a thing of the past. I'd be going only after the AI who can predict the most motivated type of sellers based off of billions of data points, as credit score changes, all these things. And I just choose those 600, select all. Oh, that's not a holy number. Let's filter that for a second. That's not good karma. All right, let's go back here. All right, that's probably a lot better. Let's clear that out. I don't want bad juju. So let's take all, why is that still there? There we go, a lot better. All right, we'll just take all this 644. I take that, I'd export the data sets, right? So I'd make sure we include the lead tracing, the skip tracing, export it out, throw it in the dialer, call them, text them. And then anyone that doesn't answer the call or text, I would try to leave as many sticky notes as I possibly can. And then the other list I would recommend is the SkyDrive AI list. So everyone on xLeads has AI territories. You get more with like the bigger plans, but I go out here and SkyDrive it. So what SkyDrive basically does again is let's choose this area and let's just filter out so it's like a really small list so we can show an example. But let's just do like, I don't know, potentially inherited, right? Simple, little small little list. What you can do here is you could SkyDrive the entire list. So this is just a small little filtered out list. And what we do is you can use AI to look at real life satellite data and imagery that is actually 4K, like updated as much as possible. And the AI is going to go out here and look at every satellite imagery live of the property and give you a score from 0 to 100 how ugly it is. So I'd SkyDrive it right here. Actually, we could SkyDrive that list of 640. Actually, let's just make it smaller. So I'm just gonna get rid of this one list. Actually, we could just do this one. Why not? Let's just SkyDrive it. So you can literally just go to SkyDrive. You can SkyDrive the AI list too. Start scanning it. And what the AI is gonna do is gonna scan every property that has a high AI score, show you exactly which one actively is ugly right now. So you don't have to drive for dollars. It's literally just gonna drive for dollars the entire list, looking at the live satellite view. It's like if you literally fly in front of the house and you look above and see if it's ugly or not. It'll do it all right there. And it'll give you a score of 0 to 100. I think anything over a 70. So as you can see, it's live doing it right here. There's moderate distress here looking at the satellite imagery of the property right there. It's got a lot of the cars, but it's not looking at anything too crazy on that, which is pretty cool. So going back out here, it says 63. So it's actually showing some information from it. There's some judgments and it's ugly. It's looking at the financial and the regular data, right? I'd say anything above a 70 is going to be good here. 70 or above. And then anything that is like a 700 or above. So you'll probably get 500 of those records, maybe like 100 of these. So you have 500 a list here, 100 here, 1,000 here. It's about 1,600 records. You see, most wholesalers, especially starting, are going to tell you to go call 15,000 properties. Don't be doing that. Just do these 1,600s. This is very, very filtered out data with AI. And all I do is just, I would call this list, I would text it all with xLeads, and then I would put a sticky note, a little sticky note right here that says, hey, my name is Zach, and I had a quick question. Please give me a call back. I would probably do this on all the pre-foreclosures. And if you can't pull 1 to 2 deals, which is going to be 30 to 50 grand a month, if you can't do that, like, I don't know what to tell you. Like, a lot of people say you can do it all for free, Google Voice, and do it all through cyber background checks. That's fine and all. But if you're watching this, so you make 50 grand, you're not going to do it all doing the free methods. You might be out, if you include the texting and the dialers, you're probably going to be about $150 a month in marketing here. That's what I'm be recommending. Now, if you want to do it absolutely for free, what I would say is you can do the government list. Every time I teach you a paid method, I'm going to tell you a free one. It's like my karma. But I would go out here, pull the government list for free. I would use Google Voice as a dialer. I would go here on this website, truepeoplesearch.com. I'd get their phone numbers there. It's going to probably take, and the reason why I don't push you to do the free methods is because this method is probably going to be about about 80 hours a week of just skip tracing calling. So that's not like the biggest fan of doing that. And this method is probably going to be about 10 hours a week. So if you want 10 hours a week to make about 30 to 50 grand a month, that would be due. If you want to do 80 hours a week without spending the 150 bucks, which 150 bucks in most places in America is 10 hours of work at McDonald's, you can go do it if you're in a country where you can't make much money. Put that 80 hours into here, get a deal, then go get X leads and you're good. You see, you don't have to pay for X leads or marketing and go get deals, but I'm just telling you, it'll save you 70 hours a week, which I think is worth it. But that's what I would legitimately tell you to do in 2026. It's ultimately up to you. We have a lot of people in Kenya, Nigeria that have absolutely no money. Government lists, Google Voice, pull the data here, use Google Voice, text with Google Voice, call these people up only on the government data. You're going to be good. And obviously you can use X leads and do this all right here. So that's exactly how I make $1 million a month in my own real estate wholesaling business and how you are going to make 50 grand in your own business. Guys, if you got any value from this video, do me a favor. Make sure you smash that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you soon. This is Zach Ginn signing out. Have a blessed one.